exercise I'm going to do today is a warm-up that I use called the box step. For a lot of people, coordinating a box step can be quite difficult and quite tricky. So I'm going to do a specific tutorial with you. I'm going to face on, I'm going to come in behind so that you can follow along with me. See how you go with this. It's a good little exercise that you can do. It's going to get your heart rate up, the body will move. So I'm going to start with your left-right step. So nice and easy with the box step. Facing on front, my left-right step, I'm going to come out in a left, right, I come back, left, right. So we come left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now quite often for people, it may be you need a different count. So whilst I say left, right, others like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're finding ways that you can coordinate this exercise. I'm going to come so that you can follow along with me. So if I turn forwards, I'm going to come left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now a little bit faster. Left, right, left, right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and I'm going to come turning around back in front to face you on. We're now going to take the opposite direction, so we're now going to take your right left step. So keeping nice and tight through your core, please. We'll come right, left, left. So nice and slow, saying it in your head, saying it out loud, whatever is going to work for you. I've been doing this exercise for quite some time, and I still say in my head, right, left, that's what gets the coordination and movement through for me. So I'm going to come around again, taking out right, left, 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 and now I'm going to come back in front. Deep breath through, bring this into a march. We're now going to coordinate the arms with the legs. First up, we're going to come with our left-right step again. So as I come out with my left leg, I'm going to coordinate my left arm, right arm, back in and back in. So my hands are in nice and tight to my body. I'm going to come out left, right, left, right. So nice and slow, I will come around. So you can follow along with me. And we are left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So a little faster. Out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out. Out, get back to the march. I'm going to go straight into your right left. So right leg, right hand, come out, out, in, 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 and I'm going to come back in front. So come back into a little march and let's coordinate it facing on. So I'm going to come in my left, right step with my arms. I'm going to start with those legs. So I'm coming out and then bring the arm out, out, in, left, right, out, out, in. Take a deep breath, bring it back to march, going opposite direction. So our right, left, and we're out, out, in, 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 out, out. Bring it back into our little march. So that is our box step. It is one to practice. It is one to try and get that coordination through. For some people, it will be a little bit easier than it is for others, and that may be the coordination you've had your whole life. but it is something you can work on, and it is something you can get better at. So I encourage you to have a little bit of fun working on that box step. Thank you very much.